Hey everyone, it's Kelly Day coming to you live from my office on a cozy Saturday morning. It's starting to turn fall out and I'm still in my PJs, but I heard a really cool thing the other day and I just wanted to share it with you. I was listening to a video about comparing and how do you ever do that? You look at all the amazing videos and artists out there, and then you see somebody that triggers you to compare yourself in some way, and it makes you feel really yucky inside. You know that feeling? And what he said is when you catch yourself comparing, to switch and think about your contribution. And I just love that because what that means is instead of comparing yourself and feeling less than, think about what are you contributing to the world with your art. Think about last time you made something with your art and how good that felt. And even better, if you contributed it, if you gave it to somebody, or if you donated it to a nonprofit, or if you made a little note card for somebody at the holidays or their birthday, or you made a little painting and you gave it to somebody for a birthday present. Do you know how good that feels? It's like one of the best feelings ever. I always tell my students, it's better than getting paid for it even. It's just that feeling of contributing your unique gifts to the world and creating something from scratch. It's like the best feeling in the world. So I just wanted to throw that at you today. I know there's like a million videos and artists on social media these days, and when you catch yourself comparing, don't feel bad, just switch to contribute. What are you contributing? And go make some art and make the world a more beautiful place. I'm going to put some links down below for some of my free tutorials if you want to make something today. And I'll throw some of my little quickie cheapy classes in there, and you can just grab one and make something, contribute something from your soul today. All right, have a beautiful weekend. Bye.